For this video, guys, we are going to make a mango graham float cake. No baking, just used 2 small cans of Nestle cream, 1 condensed milk, mixed it up together, 4 pieces of mango, ripe mango, any kind of mango as long as it is ripe. I blend the 2 pieces of that, mixed it on my sauce. Then that 2 mango, I slice it. I'm going to put it on top of the graham. So yeah, but my graham crackers is not the Filipino one. My kids buy it in No Frills, and it is whole weight. Whole weight. Yes. So let's go. This is easy to make. The only thing you can do, again, mix up the Nestle cream and the condensed milk and blend the 2 pieces of ripe mango and put it in together with your milk and your Nestle cream. Mix them properly. And at the lower of our Pyrex, I use Pyrex because this one has a cover on it. Lower bottom, the bottom, you have to spread your sauce, the dressing, whatsoever. And then, yeah, you have to put a lot because that's where your first layer of graham will sit in there. Ayan, I use a spatula on it to spread out. So, ayan na nga, guys. So, ayan, gagawa ulit tayo nito. Very easy to make. It's like you're just making, for example, shepherd's pie. Layer, right? Okay, first, yeah, the mixture, the sauce, or how you call that, dressing, yeah, and then the biscuit, the graham biscuit, but I have this one, the small square ones. This is my first time to use whole wheat. I think whole wheat need more dressing on it, but let's try though. Okay, so yeah, now I'm filing up my first 15 pieces of the graham crackers, whole wheat one, and then after that we're gonna put the sauce again, the gravy, and then if you have a lot of mango, after the gravy you can put some mango in it, but in this time I'm just putting the milk, the gravy on it. Gravy, ano nga ba talaga, gravy ba yan? Basta yung liquid na yan, ilagay ko lang yan dyan siya sa top ng aking biscuit. Okay, ayan na guys, pangalawa na yan, pangalawa na milk on top. Anyway, the sauce is already tastes like mango because I put two pieces of mango on it. So tastes like mango now. I don't have enough mango. I have only 4 pieces and it's not really good because only my kids bought it, not me. So there you go. Yeah, you just keep going, doing like that again and again until how many layers you want. But me, I'm going to try to finish these 2 boxes of Simply Graham from No Frills that my kids bought. This is the first time I made this one. I usually use the Graham biscuit from Philippine store here. So since the girls are the one who bought it and their brothers, so let's see. how it looks. Yan, nag-crave na naman sila guys. Akala ko gagawin nila to kagabi or kahapon. Kasi, nag-grocery silang magkakapatid, tumawag. What is the recipe daw, no? Graham. So, bumili sila. Akala ko gagawin nila. That's my second layer of the biscuit. And that's my third sauce on top of it. Again, paulit-ulit, mikos-mikos. You have to just spread it on top of your crackers. Yeah. So, for this time, my mango is not enough. So, ang ginawa ko, sinama ko na lang yung dalawa dyan sa mixture ko ng milk at nasal cream. And then, I have 2 pieces down there sliced thinly. Oh, yeah, and then I'm going to put it on top later. Ayan na guys. Diba, nag-grab na naman ang Majonakis ko nito. So, no choice. Gawa tayo ulit. Ayan, bubuksan ko na ulit yung aking pangalawang pack ng crackers. In a box, there's 2 packs on it. So, I think it's 30 pieces. 30 squares pieces. So, ito na yung aking pang third na layer. Very easy yan gawin. Tapos, di ka na magbe-bake. Hindi ka na maglalagay ng mga kung anik-anik na mixtures. Yun lang, gatas, condensed milk, nasal cream, and mango. Fresh mango na I put it in smoothie and mix it up with my sauce. Ganyan lang. Kabilis at kadali. Paulit-ulit lang gayag dyan guys. So, ayan, yaw-yaw muna tayo. So, sa pamamahay na ito, kung ano ang mas gusto ko yung nagre-request sila ng papaluto, kakainin nila. Kasi, sa totoo lang, kakaluto pa ulit-ulit. Ako'y nagsasawa na rin, no? Pero, what can you do? Nanay ka. So, minsan nga, naglalabas ako ng chicken. Magte-text pa ako sa isang anak ko. So, anong gusto mo sa chicken bake ba? Whatsoever. So, nag-request siya. Sabi niya sa akin, Ma'am, I want the turmeric chicken. Ang turmeric chicken, guys, ito yung aming pinaka chicken curry, coconut curry. Pero we're not using the curry powder kasi mabaho. Nababahuan sila, very strong. So, ang ginagawa ko yung turmeric. Kasi yung turmeric, walang amoy. At saka very mild lang. Unti lang nilalagay ko. But of course, with coconut milk. Kaya nagawa ko ng Graham, guys. Pero nagyaw-yaw ng kung ano-ano. Kasama yan sa buhay. Ang yaw-yaw. Yaw-yaw. Dahil ako'y mag-isa lang din sa bahay. Kaya, aliw-aliwin na lang ang sarili sa ganyan. Di talaga ako, guys, mahilig lumabas. Lalabas lang ako maghatid, magsundo, mag-grocery. Ganyan. Hindi talaga ako, pagka nasa mall ako, boring ako doon. Ewan ko lang bakit. Hindi ako malabas na tao. Hanggat may maluto ako, puno ang freezer ko, may mga gulay ako sa ref, may prutas, I can survive inside the house. Mas gusto kong matulog. Since my children are growing up na, my bunso is turning 12, and the other one is in grade 9. So yeah, easy life si mother. So yan, ganyan guys. Ipupush nyo, ilalayer nyo yan dyan. Kasi minsan nag-slide sila. Kasi nga dahil sa sauce. Ayun, so natapos na naman ang ating pang 4 na layer ng Graham. Ayan na naman, lalagyan natin siya na naman ng sauce. Paulit-ulit lang, ganon. So, ayan, sana pag uwi nila, tapos na to. Oo. Hindi siya gaanong mahirap gawin, kaya lang, tiyagaan talaga. Look. Yan guys, so, so ang ginagawa ko, 1 condensed milk lang para hindi siya gaanong matamis. Basta kung anong binili nilang ingredients this time, ayan ang ginamit ko, guys. So, paulit-ulit ang buhay. Parang luto din, no? Paulit-ulit. Yeah. So, ayan, ang second box ko. Natapos ko na yung dalawang pack ng first box. So, sayang naman, may sauce pa tayo. So, gamitin na natin. So, nag-file up ang sauce sa ilalim. So, mamaya, ayusin natin yan. Pero alam nyo, this is whole wheat crackers. Parang, sana hindi siya dry. Kasi yung mixture ko ng sauce na yan is pang regular Graham ng Pilipinas. Alam mo yung Graham ng Pilipinas, hindi siya, maganda siya. Kasi yun naman talaga ang nakasanayan natin. Pero this is my first time to use the Simply No Frills Whole Wheat Graham. Let's see. So nagagawa na tayo dyan ng pang-5 layer. Malaki to. 15 na crackers. Sa 3 hilera, tag-5. So this is my 5th. Yan. Naghuhugas naman tayo. May dumating na. Andiyan na yung aking junakis. Naghuhugas naman tayo ng kamay bago natin gawin yan. So, ayan na si Kate. Dumating. Kinuha agad ang aso niya. Hi, Oli. Tinan mo, nangahalik yan si Oli. Hahalik-halik. Kiss, mama, bebe. Kiss. Kiss, boop, boop. Beep, boop. That's my 7th kids. Si Oli. My dog. Alam mo kung bakit siya nang bubop-bop, nangalik, nangihingi siya ng crackers. It's not your treat, baby. You cannot eat that. Tingnan mo. Spoiled na spoiled yung aso na yun sa bahay. Nagsisipilyo yan. Ang plato niyan, ilagay ang hugas. Hindi yan pwedeng pakainin ng hindi nililinisan yung kanyang plato, yung tubigan. Kasi nga, she is a house dog. Tsaka tumatabi yan sa amin, sa mga kuya niya. Hindi sa kwarto ko. Magagalit ang tatay. Sa mga kapatid. Yeah. So, ayan si ate dumating na. Ayan na, guys. So, ilalagay na natin ngayon yan yung mango. Natapos ko na yung yung 2 box. So, ilalayer ko. Hindi yata nakikita, no? So, ubusin na natin ang sauce. That is the last layer. Ngayon, nalagay ko na magic yung mango sa ibabaw. Tapos, yung mga naipon ng mga sauce sa ilalim, sa bottom of the Pyrex, ay hinilagay ko na rin sa taas. Pati itong itong sisimutin natin itong sauce natin, gravy natin para dyan. So, ginamitan ko ulit dyan ng aking spatula. Gusto ko yung spatula ko na yan, nakaka simot ng mga sauce. Ayan, nilagay ko na lang siya guys sa ibabaw kasi sayang naman, no? Kaysa itapon. Ayan. That is my layered of mango Graham float. Okay, so I'm not letting this kids eat right now. Tomorrow na nila to kakainin. So, ayan na guys, ang ating pag-Graham cake ni Mama Kat's vlog. Again, thank you for watching. Bye!